The Twynham Hut was developed by the British War Office in 1959 as a replacement for the Nissen hut, which was first used in 1916. It was constructed of individual 8-foot bays which made the roof stronger than that of its predecessor. Huts are known to have been constructed in lengths between 16 feet and 128 feet. Although 4 times the cost of Nissen huts, the Twynham Hut was considered more comfortable and aesthetically pleasing. It also had twice the design life and could be fitted with air conditioning. The huts remained in use until at least 1982. The Twynham Hut was developed for the War Office by the Military Engineering Experimental Establishment in 1959. It was intended as a replacement for the corrugated steel curved roof Nissen hut that was first introduced in 1916. The Twynham Hut was intended for similar use as a temporary accommodation structure in field conditions and emergency situations. The design was jointly agreed with all 3 armed services: the British Army, Royal Navy and Royal Air Force. The Twynham Hut was constructed from aluminium and galvanized steel and had a pitched roof. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.